snowstorm right now. Blizzard 2013. Supposed to be only a few flurries. Looks a little more like that. Started in the past 5 minutes or so. And it is just covering everything. The winds are 20, 30 mile an hour. Actually 30, 40 mile an hour gusts. Wow. Alright. It's going to be interesting to see what's on the ground by tomorrow. So, alright. Enjoy the snow of 2013 here. This does not do it justice. Does not do it justice at all.
Chicken and star soup and grilled cheese sandwich with crust.
That's how much. Woo! Look at all that snow blowing. All right. I am forecasting a snow day tomorrow for Fayette County Schools. But of course, that's me. All right.